Where does your body store memories in the brain? The answer is far more complex and fascinating than a single spot. Understanding this reveals how your brain shapes everything you know and feel. Memory storage starts with neurons creating new connections or strengthening existing ones. These changes happen at synapses, tiny gaps where neurons communicate. Instead of one storage place, memories are encoded across networks of neurons, making your brain a dynamic memory web. Your hippocampus is crucial for forming new memories. It doesn't store long-term memories, but helps organize and transfer them to other brain parts for permanent storage. Damage here can cause severe memory loss, showing its vital role in memory creation. Once memories are consolidated, they reside in the cerebral cortex. Different types of memories like sights, sounds, and facts are stored in areas linked to those senses. This distributed storage explains why recalling a memory can activate multiple brain regions. The amygdala adds emotional weight to memories, helping you remember events with strong feelings more vividly. This emotional tagging boosts survival by alerting you to dangers or rewards tied to experiences. So your body stores memories not in one place, but across several brain regions working together. Each part plays a unique role from forming to recalling memories. Next time you remember something, appreciate this incredible network at work. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.